Hey guys, welcome back. PJ Minington here, and I'm going to be doing a short little tutorial on how to run a loop using computercraft. Now, the first thing you're obviously going to need is a computer or a turtle. I don't know what good a computer will do you, but hey, this is going to be how you're going to be able to repeat some code that you have written. So what I'm basically going to do is create a new program. Let's go ahead and do edit test. Now, this is how you create a new program. If you don't have one, then you are just going to have to do what I'm doing, but if you do have one, just go ahead and type in edit and the name of your program. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is define your variables. So we're going to do local times, and then we're going to do equals 0, just like so. And from there, what we should be able to do is, if you would like to repeat some actual writing, then what you can do is term.write, and I'm actually wanting to do this in my Let's Play at the moment, so that is why I'm showing this particular kind of thing. So what you're going to want to do now is do this, and then do some quotation marks with parentheses, just like so, and then you should be able to type in whatever you'd like it to say. So let's say what level. Let's see, dang it, I keep pressing caps lock. Level. Okay, I can't type with this microphone in my face. What level are you on, sir? Question mark. And then I'm going to add another space. Now, the reason I added a space is so that it's going to allow some room for that number that you're going to be adding in to be kind of nicely spaced out. You'll see what I mean when I run this. So now what we're going to do is times read, and what times read actually does is it pretty much just it reads what you just did. So times equals read, and then what you're going to want to do is open close parentheses as you normally would, and then what you're going to do is for your variable equals 0, not plus, equals 0, you're going to want to space your 0 and use a comma. That's not a period. I know they kind of look the same, but for I equals 0, comma, times do. Now, this is where times do is going to go up to term.write and read how many times you would like the function to be repeated. So say we just want turtle.forward to be repeated. Let's see, turtle.forward. And then, you know what, let's go back and make sure that we remove that space right there, turtle.forward, and then open close parentheses. So now what we could do is, let's see, let's do that, and let's go, you know what, let's just say control save, and then let's say exit. So now it's going to ask how many levels we'd like to, or what level we're on, but instead we're actually going to be telling it how many levels to move forward. So let's take note of the position that it's at right now. It's actually at about 59, and that is nice. So let's go ahead and run test. Now we don't have any, we didn't add an end. Let's go ahead and edit test, and you do want to make sure that you add an end, otherwise it's not going to work. Let's say end, and that should be just fine. I don't think we need another end. Let's go ahead and press exit, and let's try running test again, but let's go ahead and grab some coal coke to actually put in there. Now, you can use coal, I'm sure you guys know that much, but let's go ahead and say cheat mode, and let's just grab this, and let's place, I don't know, 2 pieces of coal coke in there. And actually, the reason I'm cheating right now is because my turtle disappeared. I have no idea what the heck happened, but I was using it, and all of a sudden, it disappeared. So, hey, there's enough fuel to pay me back. So, let's go ahead and run test now, and it's going to ask how many levels. That's basically going to say how far would you like to dig. So, let's say 10, and we are on 59, keep in mind, so 59, and then we're going to head in that direction, and let's go ahead and say 10. Now, we should end up on 69, and as you see, there's actually no delay in its movements, which is actually nice, and you now see that it moved over to 69. I believe it actually is based on where this is, opposed to where the actual turtle is, which is kind of strange, but yeah, so it did work just fine, and that is how you are going to run your loops. Now, obviously, if you would like to run some if statements in there, you are able to do that, but that will be for another tutorial. If you have any other computercraft tutorials that you would like to see me do, please let me know in the comments down below, and if you would like for me to, I would actually post the script that I just wrote so that you don't have to write your own loop. So thank you guys for watching. This has been PJ Minington, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.